What's going on, G's? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Good to see you guys again. Armature Works is having a show tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I figured I'm gonna get the Mercedes a little bit cleaned up. I gotta do a wash, get the wheels clean, and we got some oil here too. You'll also notice that my camera has autofocus now, and that's because I ended up getting a new camera, so I'm gonna put a couple of little videos of it right here in the video, but I ended up getting a Nikon Z7 II. I love it so far. It shoots in 4K at 60, so expect a couple of those clips in this video too. But without further ado, we're gonna get started. We're gonna pull it outside into the driveway and get started washing. And I don't think that we'll need to do any buffing or anything like that. I don't see any scratches or anything that needs to be taken care of. But I think that she just needs a good wash and a good oil change to be ready for Armature Works tomorrow. So let's get started on that. Now there really is nothing like a good cold start, am I right? Alright, so the car's all washed up, it's all clean. We just took it for a little drive just to warm up all the oil inside. Now we're gonna jack it up and get this oil changed. And this thing takes a lot of oil. Had to buy 2 5-quart jugs. And yeah, I think that this should be pretty fun to do. So let's get going on this. Phew. Okay, so we got all the oil drained out. I am sweating. It's like 100 degrees in the garage, and this thing takes 8.5 quarts of oil. Got a new filter in it, and I think it's time to fill her up with some oil. So put you guys up on the tripod and get started. And I think that's gonna do it for today's video, everyone. Thank you guys for checking in. I know it's been quite a while since I've posted, but it's always good to be back. And tomorrow we're going to Armature Works. That's what this whole video was about, prepping to go to Armature Works. So check in for that. I'm gonna be filming some of the meat tomorrow. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at K3VTheG. And subscribe for more. As always, make sure you like and tell me what you drive in the comments. See you guys next time.